What's up, guys? It's Chris with Stone Success. This is my YouTube channel where I talk about cars, trucks, automotive, car mods, lawnmowers, whatever is happening in the backyard shenanigans. Today, I'm going to be talking about my lowered Silverado. This truck is my baby. It's kind of like a Mad Max 89 Silverado. It's lowered. And today I want to actually talk about the front bumper on this thing because a lot of people have been asking me about it. So here's the story. So I've lowered a couple Chevy S10s and Chevy Silverados, and what always happens to the truck is when you lower it, the front bumper looks pretty bare. And what happens is you look into different things you can do. Option number one, you can get a body kit front bumper for your Silverado or S10. Or this idea I have found, you can get another bumper and you can cut it down the middle and split it in half and essentially just extend the bumper you already have on. And you might be thinking, well, Chris, that's a buttload of work I don't want to do. But in reality, I picked up another bumper for $30 at a junkyard. Literally took an angle grinder, cut it down the middle, and used my little Harbor Freight welder to make these welds. It's literally that simple. So instead of buying a $350 front bumper out of a body kit from California, I spent $30, did some welding. You can make this thing look pretty with body filler, and you're off to the races. The one thing I don't like is the edge of the bumper. I'm going to have to fabricate some metal and do something there because you can see it just doesn't look the most beautiful. Look at that front fender, man. That thing is chewed up. What happens is when you run a super wide wheel like this and have a really close fitment, your fenders get crumpled. I hit a railroad track and it just completely crumpled. I then did a DIY rolling of my own, rolling the fenders on the side of the road. Guys, hashtag roadkill because that's what life is all about. You got to let me know in the comment section what you think of the front bumper though. As far as lowering your Chevy Silverado or your S10, and what happens is the front bumper looks super bare if you don't have an extended front bumper. And I won't claim to be the creator of this idea because it was on the S10 forums, and I know some of the dudes do this and some dudes hate doing it because they're not good at fabricating. But I kind of feel like if you're into lowering trucks, there's going to come a point where you have to learn how to weld. I redid all the metal on this truck. It's just in the mix of kind of doing the body work. If you're wondering, this truck is painted in bed liner. Yes, it's a bit crazy, but I just kind of am obsessed with that Mad Max look, and this thing is bad. It was a super easy spray paint job. It literally comes in rollers and cans. I got it at Fleet Farm. I absolutely love it. I just got done pressure washing this truck, and what I'm going to do is throw another coat of bed liner on it because it's springtime and I want this thing to look fresh. And by fresh, I mean look like death going down the road. If you're wondering about that dent in my roll pan, that's a long story. I kind of backed into a tree, had a few too many in the yard, and I got to fix it. I got to pull the dent. I have other videos on this truck. There's a lot more to come as far as body work and respraying the bed liner. Guys, if you're into like this dirt nasty lowrider look, this is my lifestyle. So subscribe to the channel if you're into this stuff. In Minnesota here, I hear a lot of trash talk about, oh, hey, Chris, you shouldn't lower a truck. We live in Minnesota. You need four-wheel drive. But I don't care. I love this lowered truck. I do also have a Tahoe with four-wheel drive, so don't worry. I have best of both worlds. This is my summer cruiser. It's that long box, too, that 8-foot box. Boy, I can fit a full 2x4 in there. After going to church, I can stop at the Ace Hardware. All right, so I understand this isn't your average lowered pickup truck. This is kind of like a Mad Max cheap way to do it. But I really like the truck. I'm going to be doing a custom emblem here on the front, so I think that'll kind of look kind of cool. I thought about doing like a DC logo on here or something like a black American flag, something to kind of go in the middle. But guys, let me know in the comment section what you think of the bumper. What I did was I welded two bumpers together, and now I'm going to run a strip of metal through the middle here and then kind of blend it all together with body filler and make it look nice. But you got to remember, this truck doesn't really look nice, and that's why I love it. It's kind of like that Mad Max look. God, look at them zits coming in. Springtime's here. The ultraviolet's gonna be coming out. I'm gonna be looking a lot better and feeling better. All right, guys, let me know what you think of the truck in the comments section. Again, make sure to subscribe to my channel here. I'm almost 1,000 subscribers, and I'll be able to, my goal is 1,000 subscribers. So please subscribe, like the video. Let me know in the comments how stupid I am, what shenanigans, what have you, but make sure to subscribe. So